Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. A rolling pin is a good massage device, but it's hard to give a back massage because when you roll it flat, it can hit the spine, and when you roll it in the angle, it can hit the ribs. I've always wondered if the exercise device, the ab roller, also known as the ab wheels, can be a good massage device. But I looked at the prices on Amazon and it was like $15 to $20 and I had no interest in investing that much. Then I found one at Daiso, my favorite Japanese store, where almost everything is $1.50. And this one's only $4. So I finally got to experiment it. This ab roller comes with a handlebar with 2 grips and 2 discs, which is perfect because I wanted to massage the muscles on both sides of the spine called erector spinae. But if I put a space in between, it's wobbly and the discs didn't stay on the muscles and it started touching the spine, which is very bad. When you give a back massage, you do not put pressure on the spine. Do not touch the spine. I needed a spacer and I had an empty toilet paper roll, so I put it in between the discs and it worked as far as staying on the back muscles. But how does that feel?
I mean, it's massaging, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it feels good.
Okay. I actually bought 2 of these because I didn't know if it came with 1 disc or 2 discs. So I attached 2 discs on each side to increase the surface area. Now, how does that feel? Let's see. Ready?
Yep. Yeah, so it feels more sturdy.
Yeah. And it's more even.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it the same?
Well, it's better than all the other ones you did.
Yeah.
But again, to me, it's like, okay, something's rolling on me.
Yeah.
Would I pay for that as a massage?
No.
Probably not.
No.
And it feels good, you know.
No, I'll be pissed if I pay for massage and someone does this.
Yeah, but it definitely feels more sturdy and more solid too.
Yeah. Well, you feel more surface touched.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
More coverage.
Like I feel like more of my back is being massaged, you know.
Okay.
Which makes sense.
Yeah, I can't do much. It's only like one direction, so. So I think this has a potential as a massage device, although it cannot do much else. In the meantime, I might as well use it to work on my abs. I will do it for 1 month and maybe show the results. I'm declaring it here on my channel because last time it helped me to keep my words when I promised I would try Nino's beauty routine for 1 month. Well, the Valentine's Day is just around the corner. If your partner loves to receive a massage, one unique gift is to learn how to give a nice massage without hurting your hands and fingers. Check out the link below for a free couples massage guide and an access to a big discount on my online courses for a limited time. If you want your partner to improve their massage skills, you can share the link. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. And happy Valentine's Day.